Hey, welcome to Handmade and Booming. I'm Bill Riley, and today we're going to answer a very simple question. And that question is, can you make money on Etsy in 2023? And yes, you absolutely can. You can make money on Etsy in 2023. Um, it's very simple actually. You need to be able to sell a product that turns a profit, and profit being what you sell it for minus your expenses, minus any kind of fees or anything, and that's how you get a profit. And in just a moment, I'm going to go over 5 simple steps, 5 simple things to help you increase your revenue and your sales. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, pricing. So there are a few things to look at with pricing. You want to check out what your competitors are doing. And for a general rule of thumb, you absolutely never want to be the cheapest, because if people are buying it for those price, why would you want to go even cheaper and start undercutting yourself, undercutting the market? What I prefer to do is actually be on the higher end of things. I also like to make nicer products. That way I can charge more and I have more benefits to the customer. So obviously, if you're selling a mug, that might be harder. Somebody's not going to want to buy a $100 mug, but somebody would buy a $100 really nice pen. So it really depends on your market. The first place that you want to start looking, though, is what your prices are doing. You might get more sales at a lower price, but you also obviously get less profit. Number 2, pictures. If you believe it or not, that picture on the left is actually the one that says castor oil. I'm not sure how it's going to pop up on this video, actually. The one on the left that says castor oil is actually a mug. Now, if somebody's looking for something very specific, that might work, but you can't even tell it's a mug. It looks like a used oil filter. Why would anybody want to click on that if they're searching coffee mug? And the picture on the right is very obviously, oh, it's a mug. It looks like something you can drink out of. Now, the funny thing is, this picture on the left, the next picture, it actually shows a handle and it makes it a lot more obvious that it's a mug. So they just picked the wrong one. So step number 2 is make sure your pictures are very obvious what you are selling. Number 3, make sure you have personal items. Etsy sales love personalized items. In some way or form, people like to have a say. If you can give them an option to have personalized items or whatever, I think that's a really good option. So try to add more personalized items into your inventory. Number 4, SEO. You want to use long tail keywords. So a short tail keyword would be like wedding. A long tail keyword might be something like bohemian wedding decor. So you still have wedding in there, but you're going to get a lot more very specific people that are looking for your item. So if they're looking for bohemian wedding decor, you're going to have less competition for that. You're going to get less searches also, but they're going to be more likely to buy, and there's going to be less competition most likely. So step number 4, work on having long tail keywords as your SEO. 5, my favorite one is looking at your shipping costs. So this is an item that I literally just shipped from Etsy. You can only use USPS, or you can also use FedEx, but that's absolutely ridiculous pricing. And the cost to ship it would have been $12.38. On the right, I use ShipStation personally, and there's also Pirate Ship, but ShipStation for now. And it only cost me $8.48. So that's $4. Christmas just passed, and however many orders I got, say I got 50 orders, that's $200 extra profit. That's ridiculous for just going from not using Etsy shipping and using a different shipping place. I know a lot of people love Pirate Ship. I didn't use that one because it's not as easy to integrate. I really love ShipStation, although it is a paid service. So that is it, guys. They are my 5 tips. You have work on your pricing, work on your pictures and make sure they are clear, have personalized items, work on long tail SEO, and then also look at your shipping costs and start reducing your cost. For the next video, we're going to start looking at different things that you can make for your Etsy shop. Till then, guys.